In this video, I'm going to use the Autodesk Assistant to prepare this model for manufacturing. To help reduce burrs and remove sharp edges, I want to add edge breaks to both the internal and external geometry. I prompt the Assistant to apply 0.5mm chamfer to all convex edges and a 0.8mm fillet to all concave edges, while excluding the holes I've highlighted. The Assistant interprets the request, reviews the model, and identifies the correct edges based on those instructions. It then runs through the required commands and carries out the modifications automatically, saving me from having to select and edit every edge. Once this process is complete, the Assistant provides a summary of the changes that have been made. Now, I can inspect the model and confirm that all the chamfers and fillets have been applied correctly, while the highlighted holes remain unchanged.